Walk to mommy.
Good job. Walk to daddy.
Come on.
Ready? Ready? Walk to daddy.
Okay. Whoa!
Yay! Walk to mommy. Come on. Don't do two things at once. Come on.
Okay. Go to mommy.
Come on.
She has to push off using her head. Alright, here goes. Okay, go to mommy. Yeah, I'm gonna push you forward until you lose your balance.
Come on, sweetie. Come see mama. Good job. Go see daddy. Go see daddy.
Wait.
Ready?
Calm down.
2, 3. Go get daddy. Go get daddy. Poof.
Come on.
Go get him.
Whoa!
Okay, come on, come back.
Okay. Alright. There you go.
Woohoo! She gets too excited when she's coming to me, I think. Okay. Steady. Steady, slow pace.
Whoa!
Yay! No, we're not gonna play guitar. Come on. Come get me.
Alright, go see mommy. Go see mommy.
She's so used to holding her hands. Come on, baby. Come on.
Gotta lean forward, so I'm not gonna let you.
You little drunk. Go get daddy. Ready? 1, 2.
She might be getting tired of.
3.
Whoa!
Yay!
You were walking. That's a book. Here, let's go give the book to mommy.
Can I have it?
Give the book to mommy. She's like, no, I want to sit down and read.
She can't. She likes having her arms out to balance.
There. That's right, Zeb.